Today I just want to share a little trick that I learned a while ago with you guys. And it's really simple. So I'm quite an indecisive person. I often find myself having to ask other people to help me make decisions because I find that when I'm torn between two things, I can just sit there for ages and never decide, and I get stuck in kind of inaction because I'm so indecisive. So I always wanted something that I could use to help me make decisions. And a while ago I found that, and it's something very, very simple, something that you probably have in your pocket or nearby you right now. All you need is a little coin. And what you're going to do, you're going to take the two choices that you want to make, the two things you're stuck deciding between, and you're going to flip the coin. Now, you might be thinking, okay, this sounds a bit crazy. I can't make my decisions on a coin flip, and you'd be right. Of course it's crazy to make all your decisions on a coin flip. But that's not actually the reason that you're flipping this coin. So you flip your coin, and let's say choice A, is heads, choice B is tails. Let's flip the coin now, see what happens, and I've just lost it in the bush. So after a bit of digging around, I found the coin and it came back as tails. So that's option B. Now what you're going to find is you're going to do this, and sometimes you're going to go, okay, I'll just do option B. But a lot of the time what's going to happen is you're going to come back and you're going to go, damn, it landed on tails, I wish it landed on heads. So in essence, what you've done by flipping the coin is reveal to yourself what you subconsciously wanted to choose all along. Since this video is quite short, I thought I'd also share some other things that you can do with this. So let's say that you have more than two choices. If you have two choices, you can flip a coin. But what if you have, say, 4 or 5 choices or 6 choices? Then you can use a dice. If you have one with the right number of sides, that's perfect, but if you don't, you can divide it up in different ways. Or you can look online, you can just type in how many sides you want the dice to have and roll it, or use a random number generator. But what happens then? So let's say you have your dice and you have 6 choices. You roll your dice and it comes back as a 4. And you feel, oh, I don't want to do that, 4 isn't what I wanted to choose. How does that help you decide on your final one? Well, now you've ruled out 4. So now you can do a 5-sided dice roll and rule out one again, and so on until you find that you land on the choice that you're happy with and you don't want to change. Anyway, I hope you found that helpful. If you want more helpful tips like that, definitely check out my self-improvement course. You can find a link to it in the top right hand corner or down in the description below. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and enable notifications so you stay up to date with my videos. If you want to support the channel, check out my Patreon page, and if you want to keep watching, pick one of the videos on screen, go watch that, and I'll see you soon. Take care.